Sunglory Industry is the #1 engineering company in Asia for kitchenware hotel production solution. Of the world, kitchenware is popular, always and blooming these years. Many countries encourage domestic manufacturer to produce kitchenware in-house, has good margin and covers the investment shortly. Based on feedback from clients, 90% of those A to Z plants return their investment within 10 to 18 months, and automation updates take 6 to 12 months. Since 2011, we have supported 150 plus clients from 30 countries to achieve great success. 29 of them are #1 in their industries. During the past 11 years, 46 A to Z production lines have been set up related to stainless steel pots and pans, non-stick cookware, glass lids, thermal flasks and bottles, electrical kettles, chef knives, spoons and forks. We have trained their engineer teams and thousands of skilled workers of these 150 plus clients. Those 24 A to Z new setup lines 100% run peacefully. More than 70% become #1 in brand, quality, quantity, designs. We have 10 internal experts and 30 external experts. Work with us. You will have professional investment partner, not only have turnkey plant in hand, but also get unexpected value-added service. And also 6 global service centers in China, India, Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, and Mexico. Stand by for you. Zero time difference, zero distance.